When I showed up to the gym, was it 7 months ago? I didn't think for 1 minute that I'd be tattooing these two yahoos.
See the line?
It's not that bad. You get used to it.
Gotta hope.
Hopefully.
Not times the hairs.
How you doing?
Good. I'm about to get tatted up. I've been talking about this for a while. It was my idea, so I'm gonna jump on. I'm gonna jump in head first. I let Kevin go. I let Kevin go. We have the honors. My inspiration is that Dalton said that he'd give me a tattoo, and I just picked something out because I like it, and I'm gonna run with it because it's gonna have a lot of meaning, knowing that my boy Dalton gave me the tattoo. That's my inspiration, and that Kevin and Logan did it with me.
Yeah.
Will they do a paid internship?
That one bled a little bit, but we can. You ready?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good. Yeah, try not to shake the house.
How's it feel?
Oh yeah, that mine's already looking good.
Still working on it?
Yeah.
Christy, you're gonna be my mom. You're gonna be my mom here. I need that mom comfort, okay?
Yeah, that's not better than the other one.
It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. I have full faith and confidence in Dalton and his abilities because he does amazing work. It is a privilege and an honor to be tattooed by Dalton in my own residence. It's pretty cool.
How close you gonna get, bro?
He's easily perturbed right now, Logan. I don't know.
Y'all weren't getting the same thing?
That's getting sensitive.
We just got the outline done, and my back's a little tight, so we're gonna take a break.
Yeah, we'll
maybe
take a break.
grab some grub or something. Then we're gonna come back and do some fine detail work.
You ready?
Oh yeah, born ready.
Yep. See, good to go. Good call.
Get Jordan over there eating pizza.
Double slicing.
Double pizza.
Double slicing, double dip Jordan.
Yeah. What do you think, bud?
Dude, it's fantastic. Amazing work.
Thanks. Now get away from me. You're done.
Oh, gross. I definitely saw that.
I'm feeling pretty good. I'm ready to go. Dalton does excellent work, so it's gonna be great. And I got
He does indeed.
a beautiful camerawoman behind me.
When I showed up,
No.
when I showed up to the gym, was it 7 months ago? I didn't think for 1 minute that I'd be tattooing these two yahoos.
Hello, Logan.
Oh, that's good. Yeah,
Right there.
Mhm.
Okay.
it looks like Dalton when I berimbolo him.
Hey, remember who's in control of the needle, bud. Here we go. First whisker.
You bitch. What?
Don't laugh.
Stop. Taylor, you're not helping me. Stop. Dalton's a fucking man if he did this himself. This is like, it's self-torture.
Yeah, for real.
I feel
For hours too. And
Shit hurts. Yeah, but it's not that bad. You get used to it.
Gotta hope.
This was definitely, if not his idea, it was your idea. I think you were the first one to suggest it.
Like free spirited. Unlike this guy.
It feels so good right now.
You know what the sick thing about this is when he likes this and he sees how awesome it is, he's gonna come back for more.
oh yeah.
Maddie, you can copy me if you want to. I know you want to. You can copy me.
I already kind of have that, so you copied me.
Yeah. Well, I got a Panther too. Like, why don't we all just get Panthers?
I kind of copied Dalton.
If there's one question that you want to know the ultimate truth to, you don't get to pick.
I guess there is some truth in that.
My question is the truth to my question is do I or
No,
do I not?
you don't get to pick. That's
No.
the truth. Is no, you don't get
Oh,
to pick.
okay.
Nobody gets to pick. Yeah, or fly,
Fly.
Fly. Well, actually.
or have unlimited
Because
unlimited money.
But how deep in the ocean can I go without
That's,
like?
the world is yours.
Okay, so like pressure wouldn't clash.
No, it wouldn't matter. That's your superpower.
Because only like 10% of the world's oceans are discovered,
I know.
and that would be kind of cool because
Would
you'd
be
be the
cool.
person that would like. Why not? I heard that that's the worst spot to get.
Oh yeah.
Three of you are off.
You're worse.
All I am is
Just sound.
Give it a while before you guys start bumping tattoos again.
Yeah, give yours a couple hours and your inflammation.
You need to take a picture with them.
Wait, like
Here, Logan, you go out. I'll go up with my leg.
dude. Imagine.
Dalton right there. Look.